Wow, 5 versus the Republic and others.
Here I think you need the court needed appearances of DCI and who else? The IO. Yes.
Yes, that matter. Waweru Nyambura.
For which party? Waweru?
For the applicant. I'm holding brief for Ms. Mudua for the applicant.
Yes, we have put you on record.
Yes, Your
Any instructions from there? For the court, what we are waiting for is the DCI Ruiro, who was to appear in court today.
Yes, and the IO.
The IO.
Yes, those are the court's directions. I can see Mr. Rossi.
No, I wanted to know who is this IO. I'm sure he has a name and a police number. IO, where are you? He's not speaking anymore. IO.
Your lady.
Rossi, tell us whether IO is there at the DCI so that we give this case time allocation and finish with the others that we have put aside.
I can see them on the platform. I don't know if they're not.
You are seeing who at the who. They should be speaking for themselves. Okay. We come back to it. We come back to that file when we can hear the officer speaking. Okay.
Revision number is
we had some officers. Are they still there to Chelsea? Yes.
Can you kindly press the
again? Repeat that again.
Good afternoon.
Tarasi. What did you say? We didn't hear.
Sorry, Your Honor.
I'm talking to my prosecutor, Tarasi. Please, just wait a bit. Tarasi, you said something that the court did not hear. What did you say?
Yes, my lady. The DCIO is on the platform.
Terus ya udah jangan. Nanti dia mau cegar lah.
Okay, this you can now introduce yourself.
Yes, Your Lady. I'm number 2.
I'm wondering whether we had an advocate called Kiplanga Tunyeno. That was the cop.
Yes, Your Honor.
I thought we had an
Yes, Your Lady.
There's a minute. Look at the name of the advocate or whoever brought this application.
Yes, I'm
Tracy Mudua at the company.
I'm holding brief for Teresa Muto. My name is Wanyoro.
Your name?
Wanyoro.
Your name?
Wanyoro.
And so, your name? And so, are you having a problem with the connection?
No, my connection is fine.
Your ladyship can record hear us.
Cancel. I think we had a problem with the connecting or hearing one another. You can introduce yourself now.
Oh, my name is Wanyoro. Wanyoro.
Wanyoro.
Yes, I'm holding brief for Mrs. Ngoge.
The advocate we have on the record is Teresia Mudua at the company.
She's Teresia Mutua Ngoge.
Okay, Teresia Mutua Ngoge.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor, Wamero Nyahura, I appear alongside Mr. Wanyoro for the applicant.
Okay. All right. Now, why you are here, DCIO? We just wanted first to introduce yourself. This application was brought to court on 18th. It is the application dated 18th of September 2020, which was the application was an application of habeas corpus in respect of Joseph Nganga Muhia. And it was said you are the one who was conducting investigations. Are you the DCIO Roiro police station?
Yes, you are ladyship.
Okay, then we shall now come to introduction so that you can introduce yourself. You can just raise your hand so that you are fine.
Yes, your ladyship, Daniel Mutisia. And then the DCIO Luilo sub-county. And I'm ready for the court, your ladyship.
Okay, just wait. So you say your name is?
Daniel Mutisia.
Daniel Mutisia.
Yes, your ladyship.
And you are the DCI Roiro?
Yes, is the DCI.
For how long have you been there?
Since February 2025, your ladyship.
Are you served with any summons or application from this court by the advocate for the applicant? The applicant is Esther Wambui Wahwine.
Your ladyship, the summons I have is from the ODPP, one Esther Tolos, who signed the summons, your ladyship, from Rika High Court.
So she's the one who has summoned you to court?
No, I'm saying the signature, the one who it was delivered through her office, your clerkship.
But who has signed the summons? We want to know the person who summoned you to court.
Yes, there's the Deputy Registrar, High Court is Rika, Your Lordship, dated 6th November 2025.
Which date again? The date of the summons?
6th November this year.
10th of November.
Yes, 6th November.
6th.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Does it state why you are summoned to court? Is there anything written on them? Myself.
That is Your Lordship.
What does it say?
Okay, it is talking about there is an attachment of a summons requiring my attendance to court on 11th of December this year.
Okay. Now, the issue is what the court was reading to you, that an application was filed in this court of habeas corpus. That is an application seeking to have somebody called Joseph. He was Joseph who? Torosi, do you have the name of this person? Joseph somebody.
Your Lordship, it's Joseph Nganga muhia.
Joseph Nganga muhia. Okay. So this application that the court was telling you,
Unless what happens?
that it was filed in the court. I just want to give him the history that the application is dated 18th of September 2020.
Be confirmed.
Wewe ni nani? You are not a part of our court, please. Mute yourself. So the application is an application dated 18th of September 2025.
Siamini video.
Ciigie, Musyoki and Company Advocates. Ciigie, Musyoki and Company Advocates. Can you mute yourself?
Sorry about the noise. So this application is dated 18th of September 2025, and it was filed by a firm of advocates for Esther Oboyua Owen. The advocates are Teresia Mudhua and the company. And we have two advocates who are present in court representing the applicant this morning. So what they had asked the court is to have the DCIO of Ruiru summoned, to have the body of one Joseph Nganga muhia produced before the Honorable Court within 24 hours of the order that they wanted delayed on that day. It had also asked that the DCIO Ruiru be summoned. So what we did was to summon you so that you can come and tell us about these investigations, because they were said to be under you, and it was also complained that they had taken too long and no feedback had been given to the family to know what happened to Joseph Nganga muhia. We also have an OB number that is indicated in the proceedings, in the application, which shows that the report was made on the 20th of December 2024, about 1 year ago. And it is the delay on investigations that has made the family concerned about what is happening. So that is why we are here. Have you understood us now?
Yes. Yes, Your Lordship.
1 minute so that now we can proceed. A minute.
Yes, Your Lordship.
A minute. Okay, now you can now tell us first to confirm whether you received that report, whether it was received on the 15th. Data have read on 2024, 20th of December 2024. Did you receive a report of that nature?
Your Lordship, I start by saying that I'm obligated to address you through this media, and I have the following to reply concerning the matter in the question, Your Lordship.
The court asked you a question.
Yes.
Did you receive such a report as we are reading here?
Yes, about the report of the...
Yes. Was it received?
Yes, the report was received at Membuli Police Station, not to my station, but Membuli Police Station in Iloilo sub-county.
Okay. Well, it was made at Membuli Police Station?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When did you take over?
Up to this moment, Your Lordship, it is under Membuli Police Station, and that report is concerning this person.
The investigations are being conducted by Membuli Police Station?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have nothing to do with it?
It is until the file reaches my office through the channel is when I can give them a position, Your Lordship. Of which not yet.
They have not forwarded the file to you?
Not yet, Your Lordship.
My lady, if I may.
Just a minute. So you say the file has never been forwarded to you to date?
Yes, I confirm, Your Lordship.
Okay, and what is your role as the in charge, the DCIO in charge of Ruiru, as far as investigations are concerned within your area? The court would want to know that.
Yes, Your Lordship. What we are having concerning this matter is fire inquiry, which is to me number 2 of 2024.
Just a minute, because we are writing.
Yes.
So what you have before you is another matter.
A matter of fire incident.
Fire incident.
Yes, we opened a file in file number 2.
Where did it occur?
From Modern Furniture Pacific Limited.
Modern Furniture
Pacific Limited.
Where is it situated?
In Iloilo, within Iloilo, town, that's Iloilo sub-county.
Which part of Ruiru sub-county?
The Membuli area, Your Lordship.
Membuli area.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But when was the file forwarded to you? That one?
This was my matter from initial stages.
When did you receive the file?
So what I'm saying, Your Honor, this matter is that this matter was taken over by us immediately, so we opened an inquiry file, which is under process. That is inquiry number.
Yes, a minute. We have some people. So when did you open the inquiry file?
We are referring to matter which took place on 18th December 2025.
I'm asking when you opened the inquiry file, the date?
Okay, from 18th December 2024.
18th December 2024.
Yes.
Okay. And this matter did not concern the person that we had given you the name. We had given you a name of a person called Joseph.
Yes, with the matter we are dealing with, that person featured.
Now, in what respect did the person appear? We want to know whether we are reading from the same page. Because
yes,
you could be investigating something different from anything to do with Joseph. Yes, but in the person featured, how did he feature?
No, it is from the statement.
Whose statement?
This person was working in the same company.
Okay, call him by name, the names you have.
Yeah, that is Joseph Nganga Muhia.
Joseph Nganga Muhia. And then what happened to him?
But sorry, Your Honor, we were not investigating that. That was a missing person, which was being handled by Memphis Police Station, as I've indicated earlier.
But he was working in that shop or premises.
Yes, being in charge of investigations in the sub-count. We have those issues, but now my file, the file I'm handling is concerning via inquiry. So if you can allow me your leadership, I can proceed.
No. You still proceed. I want to understand that matter first. And also understand how you are concerned with the matter. So, just hold on a minute. So this person was reported missing. From when?
Yeah, I did not provide information concerning the issue about the Joseph Nganga Muhia, which is a member of the police station matter. And I'm yet to receive the file. If according to them, it will warrant them to forward it to my DCI office.
So, okay, now tell us about the fire incident.
Yes, Your Lordship,
with the confirmation, I have confirmed the date of the fire.
The date of the incident, the fire incident.
Yes.
It was which date?
Just a minute. It's opening. It was on.
It is not the date that you that you give, or you are now confirming? Okay.
Yes. It was 18th December 2024.
2024. Okay.
24.
All right.
18th of December 2024.
Okay. Now you can tell us about the fire incident, and maybe when you took over the case, so that you can proceed from there.
Yes, your Lordship, what I had earlier told you is that this fire incident is a matter purely which was handled by DCI officers from Luilu.
Fire, you told us yours was the fire incident.
Yes,
and
fire.
the Membre team or the Membre police station were dealing with the disappearance of this Joseph, isn't it? That is what you told us. There were two things. Yours was fire incident, isn't it? DCI.
You are coming this office, please.
DCI.
Yes, your Lordship.
You told us your investigations were on the fire incident. And the disappearance of Joseph was at the OCS Maple Police Station.
Yes,
that is what you said. Okay, so we are asking you, tell us about the fire incident, the one you said you are involved in.
Yes, your Lordship, what I can tell the court is that in investigations we have got 3 stages.
3 stages.
The one is documentation. We go to investigation, then we go to disposal. On this point, your Lordship, the matter still is under investigation, and we are yet to place the file before a competent court of law when we are.
Okay, what the court wanted to know, because there have been complaints of delay, is how far have you gone? How far have you gone with the fire incident?
Yes, your Lordship, is that we have gotten the reports from government chemistry. I can say we have gone ahead of it, and now we are about to place the file before the next stage.
Okay, tell us when you received this report from the government chemist, and the date of the report.
Yes, your Lordship.
Dated when?
The fire report was signed by government analyst on 13th January 2025.
If you can just give us the date of the report. We are not interested in the other details. They could come elsewhere.
Thank you, your Lordship.
The date of the report?
13th January 2025.
And when did you receive it? The date of receipt from your end?
Okay. I'm reading the document itself, the report you are letting, but also I have another one dated 21st August 2025.
Tell me about this one, 13th January 2025, when you received it, please, so that we go to the other one, if you have another one.
Your Lordship, you will bear with me that it's a matter which I took over, and I have an eye on this issue. Mine is just coordination. But the one who was making or was forwarding the report was transferred. But now the current Hayo, I am with him.
Officer, you know we are dealing with the documents. But if a document was received by your office, I believe you are in a position to tell us when it was received. That was the question of the court.
Your Lordship, according to the document in my hand, is that the officer who received it from the government analyst.
Well, not the officer. Give me the date first, then you go to the officer.
The date of the report, Your Lordship?
Yes, that it was received is what I'm waiting for. Then from there you can tell us other things. When was it received? I believe you have documents that are showing that.
Yes, Your Lordship, the document I have here is that it was forwarded to government analyst on 6th January 2025.
No. I'm not interested on when it was forwarded. Those details could be required elsewhere, not here. I only want to know when was it received, the report, by your office. It doesn't matter who was sitting there at that time, but when was it received, the date. And we don't have much time, Bwana DCIO. We have a heap of files waiting for us here. So if you can hurry up a bit and give us the details you want, that will be
the report I'm happy is not indicated when it was received from government analyst, Your Lordship. I have it in my hand.
And it has no stamp, even from your end, or the person who received it.
The person who received it, I know, is one by name BC Alan, who was transferred. And given the time, Your Lordship, I can also contact him to know when he received the document and what he did with it. But it was in the file.
When did you take over this matter yourself? Yourself as the DCIO, together with your IO who is there? You know, I'm talking about you because you are in charge of that office. When did you go to Ruiru to be the DCIO?
I went to Ruiru on 4th of February 2025.
4th of February 2025. And you took it. Who handed over to you?
One Mr. Dubai, Jeremiah Dubai.
Okay, now from 4th of February 2025, what has happened in that in the investigations? Because the people who came to court are concerned with the delay, that it has been in your office for too long. And that is the fire incident where Joseph disappeared, isn't it?
I concur, Your Lordship.
Yes. So from that time that the report was received, and when you took over, just tell us the progress of the investigations.
Thank you, Your Lordship. After I took over the office, this matter was still in investigation stages, and it came to a stage whereby we got further evidence where we related it with the matter, and we also took another exhibit to government chemistry dated.
A minute. All that is being written.
Yes.
So you corrected the further evidence.
Yes.
What was the evidence that you forwarded to government chemist?
Yes, it was forwarded, and we got a report on the 21st August 2025. Is when they.
I'm just asking, what did you forward? You know, to the government chemist, you must forward something. The court wanted to know that evidence that you received. and then forwarded to the government chemist.
Yes, we are referring to a human skull.
A human skull.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So the date of forwarding to the government chemist was when?
It was received on 24th April 2025.
25th of April, that is the date of receipt at the government chemist.
Correct, Your Lordship.
Okay.
No,
And then from
my ladyship, I think the DCI should confirm. I don't think it was conducted on 25th of April 2025.
no, he says it was received by the government chemist.
No, it wasn't. The fire conducted last year.
Oh, okay. But he says they received some more evidence on 25th of April 2025.
Yes,
No,
Your
it wasn't. It wasn't in 2025.
When was
Maybe you
it?
can confirm.
Because I'll still allow you to put one or two questions to him.
Okay. Thank you.
So this year, so the government chemist received it on 25th of April 2025. And then
24th April, not 25th, Your Lordship. 24th.
24th April, okay. And then after that, when did you receive the report back?
21st. No, okay, on the 5th November 2025. 5th November this year, 2025.
5th of November 2025.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes,
Because what I wanted you to tell us, generally, because you don't have much time to spend the whole day here. Now, after you have received that report, how far have you gone with investigations to date? That was April 2025. What has happened? In brief, because we are not hearing a criminal case. That one will come later if there will be one.
Your Lordship is that now that we have now gotten the report from the government analysts, now we are now combining to make forward the same file to our CCIO, that is County Criminal Investigation Officer, for advice concerning our investigation, so that we can now take the next step, either to be put before a competent court, which we are working on it.
If you could answer my question just direct, it would help us in view of time. The question I asked is from 5th of November 2025. Did you say 5th of November, so that we are right on the date?
Yes, 5th of November 2025.
Okay. Now the court is asking what has happened since then, and you are saying you are compiling the file. That is about a month ago.
Yes, Your Lordship. And we are working within the time frame. Now, anytime it will be now forwarded to CCIO office.
This is DCIO where?
DCIO Kiambu, your leadership. Yeah, we are talking about criminal investigation officer. For Peruso and advice. For Peruso and advice, your leadership.
All right. Anything else you want to say?
Your leadership is that I want to inform the Honorable Court that we are doing our best to make sure this matter comes to conclusion. As I come before you, I promise to do it in the soonest time possible. Also waiting your election on this, your leadership. Thank you.
Okay, now, Wanyoro, will you go first so that you ask 1 or 2 questions, then we go to Waweru Nyambura?
Perhaps Mr. Waweru is my
Lista?
Perhaps you can go first.
Waweru?
Yes.
Okay, Waweru Nyambura?
But I had an issue though.
Yes.
If you check the file, you had summoned 2 people, the DCI and the investigating officer.
This is the. I'll go to the investigating officer so that I hear what he's investigating.
Okay, much obliged.
We have been told there are 2 reports, there are 2 incidents, or maybe 2 arising from the same incident.
Okay. Mr. Waweru can go first.
And we don't have much time, please, so
Yes.
make sure you summarize your questions.
I'll be very brief, Your Ladyship.
Yes, or
Bwana David, good afternoon.
Section Daniel, good afternoon to you.
Yes, I have a few questions for clarification purposes.
Welcome.
Yes, you've indicated that there is a report in regards to the fire.
Correct.
Did you say that the same report is not in the file? Is it in the file?
It is in the file, it's not the one I'm using.
The one that is dated the 13th of January 2025?
Yes.
Okay. Kindly confirm to the court what was forwarded so that we understand what was forwarded for, so that the report was made, or who made the report.
What was forwarded to the government chemistry, there are various, there are some, about 6 items which were forwarded.
Yes, which ones kindly?
Debris,
Yes.
shoot,
Sorry?
debris,
Yes.
shoot. We are talking about smoke, shoot.
Shoot.
Fire, yes.
Okay.
And yes, those are according to the reports dated 13th.
So only 2 things were forwarded.
Yes, but they are separated into A, B, C, D up to E. Connected from different areas.
Is there anything belonging to a human being or an animal, kindly?
It's another matter.
Yes.
Yes, there is another report which I thought
Not the one that you indicated that you had sent as Carl. I'm asking.
Yes.
In the fire incident report that you've mentioned, dated the 13th of January 2025,
Yes.
I'm asking whether there was anything in regards to a human or an animal that was forwarded for that purpose.
Negative?
Oh, none.
Yes.
In the statement, can you kindly confirm that in the statement there was an issue of a dog that was found at the fire incident scene? Kindly.
A dog.
A dog.
Yes, a dog. It's purportedly a dog. as per the
Adog. D-O-G.
Yes, D-O-G, Your Ladyship.
Okay.
Bwana Daniel?
I think that matter, it can be well answered by the Hayo or Membly police station. You are...
No, that is why I have not gone to that particular other file. I'm asking in regards to this file. In the fire incident, witnesses mentioned that they saw the remains of a dog. I want you to confirm that it is there. Is it there?
Also, you should also give me time because I'm not a Hayo to peruse all the file. With due respect, I'm talking about a report which I have it.
Okay.
But you have the file. I'm not able to put the file your leadership.
It's okay. We understand. I just wanted you to confirm. You've indicated that you've taken over the file. I expected that since you received the summons, you would have gone through that particular file.
I can say I've not done so. Your leadership.
Okay. So you've not gone through the file. It's okay.
Yeah.
In the statement that you've indicated, you did say that you did forward a human skull.
Yes.
Where was the human skull found? Was it found at the scene of the fire?
No, it was found in the Katonga area.
It's okay.
Katonga area which is the middle of the count.
Which area?
Katongora. Your leadership.
I want you to confirm to the Honorable Court that in reference to that skull, was it in relation to the fire incident? Kindly confirm. Was it in relation to the fire incident? Because
I can tell the court
in the report, sorry.
Yeah. We had outcry from the people of the Joseph Nganga muhia.
Yes.
And when I come into office, they were frequently coming to my office.
Okay. Meaning,
yes.
You are aware that there is a complaint in relation to a missing person and in connection to that fire. Are you aware of that?
Yes.
Okay. And that is why you forwarded the skull for comparison with the mother, the applicant in this matter.
Yes, and I expect the member police station will be able to answer on that line.
Bwana DCI,
yes.
Was the skull forwarded from Membly police station or from Ruiru police station as per the report? Kindly confirm.
It was done by the DCI in Ruiru.
Okay. Meaning
yes,
that you are in possession of the investigations in regards to the complaint of a missing person.
Yes.
It is in your office.
No. The missing person is still in Membly.
Okay, why would you forward the remains of the skull for a file that you are not handling? Why would you do that?
My officers were in agreement with the Maple Police Station because we are in charge of investigation in the sub-county.
Okay, I want you to confirm that the missing file report relates to the DCIO, the DCI office.
Okay, I want to correct you that the same matter, if the file will come to my office, I will take over.
No, I'm just asking.
Yes.
Where is that report attached in your office?
What I got is a copy of the same, so I'm going to confirm. You know, when stations have files, they should forward it to the DCI through the channel, that's through the OCPD. So I will yet receive that file.
It's okay. And you've confirmed that you are aware that there was a missing case.
Yes.
You never called for that file. You never called for that file.
I have done my part, and I know.
I'm just asking. You've not called the Membly complaint file.
I have fought it. I have called
for it.
Yes.
And have you gone through the file?
Not yet. What I'm saying is that through my IO.
Yes.
Through my IO, he conducted the IO with the matter for the file to be forwarded to this year.
The reason why we feel that there is an issue in regards to the same is because you are telling the court that you are the one who forwarded that particular skull to the government chemist, and you're telling the court that you do not know, you do not have the missing file in your office.
That is what made me to ask for that file to be forwarded through the channel.
Do you know an officer by the name of let me confirm kindly, the CCIO Bwana Mutua?
Yes, Mutua is the DCIO of Kiambu.
Okay, and you can confirm that he was present during the incident. He was still in office at that time.
By the time I was not in Iloilo, so I am not aware if he was there.
And you can confirm that these files were never consolidated for purposes of investigation.
I'm aware. No, you are not. Come again. You are saying?
I'm saying, are you aware whether these two files were consolidated for purposes of investigation?
Not aware.
This fire. We are talking a fire that happened in 2024. What is derailing this matter?
I may not say that there is delayment.
The fire happened in 2024. True or not true?
True.
There is a report that a person died in that fire, but as per the applicants.
It is until I see the file. Yes. I cannot say if there is a person who died in the same.
No, we are not saying that you've investigated and found out that. I'm saying, as per our client, there is an issue in regards to where their kin died. They are saying that he died in that fire. That is as per them.
Yes, yes.
I'm asking, you took over in February, 14th of February. True or not true? That is when you took office.
In the office, yes, correct.
Apart from the report that you've just indicated does not relate to the fire, what else have you done in that fire file, the inquiry?
The fire file was delayed because of the government report.
Yes.
And when it was received, and also the change of IOs, because they went to transfer, they were two, they went all of them.
Bwana Daniel, I don't think you're understanding my question. I'm asking,
yes,
in regards to the fire inquiry,
yes,
nothing has happened. True or not true? Apart from the report that was done in January. True or not true? Nothing has been done.
A lot has been taken place.
What has taken place, kindly, so that we understand.
IO will give us the position of the alpha.
No.
But
No,
understood. So
witness. I'm just asking the DCI.
Yes,
give us all the details you want. Why I'm saying that, the IO is an officer working under him, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, but you should know more than the IO, because the IO comes to report to you. If we decide we don't want to talk to him, you are there, and you are the senior officer. So can you tell us?
Yes,
the questions are coming to you, answer them. How far?
Let's suppose I can tell the court is that concerning this matter, what I know from the IO is that teams of crime officers from Vika visited the scene and they took photographs.
When was this?
Sorry?
When was this, kindly?
I've referred to the report which I gave out this.
Bwana Daniel, I'm asking, since you took office, that is in February of 2025, in regards to the fire inquiry file, what have you done so that we come to a conclusion? This is around 6 or 7 months after. What have you done in that file, apart from the report, which was done when you were not present?
I detailed another officer to take over the matter from the first two IOs, that is one. Number two, there were reports which were taken to government chemistry, so I meant him to make a follow-up. Whereby
what did you forward to the government chemist again?
I've said
yes. Yes.
I made him to make a follow-up concerning the report with the government chemistry.
Yes.
Whereby he got them now, they are with him.
We are talking about the remains of the skull.
Also, the report is out.
No, I want you to understand. The report of the skull is in relation to the missing person. True or not true?
Yes.
Let's leave that file. You said that you do not have that file. Let's leave that file. Let's deal with the issue of the fire inquiry report. I'm asking, what have you done in that file so that you come to a conclusion? You're telling us that you'll do your best.
Yes.
To finalize the matter. Since February, when you took over, what have you done? Apart from the missing file, we are talking about the file.
So you
but if you've not done anything, you can just tell court that you've not done anything, but you'll do.
According to my, what I can tell the court is that I have done a lot about this file because I got another IO and he took over the file and he has been chasing the witnesses, some of the witnesses.
Okay.
Others who cannot be found.
It's okay.
And at the moment we got that way about the skull, if I can tell that court, is that we also took that speech to government chemistry, and also report was given to us after follow-up. So what I can say is that we have done a lot about this matter.
Now you've gone to the file of the missing. Are you the one handling that matter? Is your office handling the matter of missing person in regards to the said missing person?
The reason I'm trying to give out about the other matter is that I have already called that file to my office through the channel.
So you are confirming to the court that you will handle that matter?
What did the council have to handle it?
You'll have to handle it. So I want you to confirm to the court that since the matter was reported in December of 2024, the file has never been presented to the DCI office, Ruiru. It has never.
Yes.
I want you to confirm to the court that Membli does not have jurisdiction to deal with the matters relating to DCI. True or not true?
Not true. What you are saying is not true.
Do they have the capacity and the mandate to deal with this file, that particular file?
They have capacity.
Who has capacity in Membli? Kindly, who has capacity in Membli?
So what I'm saying is that being a police officer, also they do investigations. And
is a missing person report something that should be conducted by the DCIO?
What happens with your electorship is that they can do the investigation, but also we can chip in concerning some choices or some which requires our expertise.
But so meaning in relation to this file, the office, the DCI Ruiru office failed by not calling for the file.
We are called for it.
No, it's okay. We understand that you've taken over and we appreciate a lot. I'm saying previously the file had not been called for purposes of investigation. It had not been called for.
But my take with this is that it was initial stages, so I cannot say they failed. What I know is that it was in the line of being called.
Okay, so according to you, at some point, 2 years down the line, 1 year down the line, the file would have been called. Daniel, now you've seen why. Daniel, now you've seen why the applicant is hesitant and she has to come to court. You've seen why.
Sure.
Okay. You understand now why she has come to court.
Yes, I can understand.
Okay. And two last questions. One, I want you to confirm to the court that no dog's remains have been forwarded to the government chemist for purposes of examination. Nothing.
I cannot respond to that.
No, I just want you to confirm. Is there a report from the government chemist in relation to the remains of something or anything that was found at the scene?
Anything found in the scene? Concerning what, please? I've told the report, I have a report about what was taken to government chemist and the report.
Yes, I'm just asking whether that report in relation to the human remains or animal remains.
Yes, that is the report of the skull.
No, not lastly. When you've said that you've met the applicant and the family members.
Yeah, before I met them, so many people were in the office.
Okay, you know them.
Yes, I know. I can recall.
And they came to you when you were in office.
Yes.
And what was their complaint? Was it in relation to the fire or the missing person?
Okay. The issue was that their relative was working in this shop.
So they came to you in regards to the issue of the missing person.
Yes.
When was this? Can you remember?
I can't recall without given time to confirm, but I cannot remember.
I want you to confirm, had you stayed at the station for long when they came to your office? Ama it was a month or 2 months after?
No, we are talking about 2 to 3 months.
Sorry?
I was very new in the office by the time they came to me.
Okay, you were still new when they came to your office?
Yes, I was very new.
Okay, so meaning it was around March or April of this year?
Yes, March or April, very true, correct?
And you've told the court that they were coming to you in relation to the missing person report?
Yes.
And I want you to confirm to the court, as you've said, with that in mind, when you took over, you've never at any point since March or April of this year, you've never, though you are aware.
I am calling for the
No, I'm asking, Bwana Daniel.
Yes.
You came to learn of this missing person incident in March or April of this year. That is what you said. I'm asking, since then, you've never at any point called for that file. You only called for it when you came to court now.
I have done it severally. What I know is that the IO who was handling that matter was also transferred.
No, I'm just asking. So you have letters confirming that you requested for that file?
Yes.
When did you request for that file?
So this file, what I did is that the IO with my IO, that is the DCIO officer, he talked to that other IO, and he was told to bring the file through the channel.
Okay, no,
Mr. Waweru, your question was when?
Yes.
Can you answer when? When did you call for the file?
Okay, Your Honor, I cannot be precise, but it's between March and April.
How have you assisted the case of the missing persons report? That is my last question. What have you assisted? What have you assisted? How have you assisted?
I have assisted in that when this car was found at Katongora.
Yes.
We made all the efforts for the mother of the missing person to be taken in DNA.
It's okay. Bwana Daniel.
Yes.
You're saying that in Thika there is a mortuary for persons who have died and are unknown. True or not true?
Yes.
Kindly confirm that in your line of work, you've seen a lot of those cases of unknown deceased persons.
Yes.
When you came to Riru.
Yes.
Have you ever at any point called the applicant in this matter to come and confirm whether that person is their son? Have you ever? So that at least we see that you've taken steps. Apart from the skull, have you ever called her to identify a body or anything in relation to an unknown person? Have you ever? What have you just decided that the skull was the only thing that would have confirmed that was supposed to be verified?
Okay, what I can tell the court is that whenever we get such a situation whereby we have minority people, we do pick up things and we take them for analysis.
So you're telling the court that you've never seen an unknown body since you came to your office that was not identified. You're telling that the court, everybody was identified.
I can recall last month that we got I got a communication through the OSPD from Thika that there are some bodies in Thika Mohawk, and I did not one of my officers, Assange, to confirm so that we may know how to go about it. So I'm going to get the report.
Have you ever informed the applicant to come and confirm? You've never.
Okay, what I know is that now the applicants they were also the matter was with the Membly. I don't know whether they went to Membly.
No, you said they came to your office, Mkubwa.
You know what? Okay, what I can tell you, Kanzo, is that these people, I can say for the last 4 months, have never come to my office.
Yes, because they went to court once you refused to work.
And because I have IO, whom I know they have his contact,
okay.
I want to believe they have been in the communication.
They've not, but thank you so much, Bona Daniel. Your leadership, that is all, and apologies for taking time.
Okay. And I'm hoping Wanyoro. Are you Wanyoro?
Yes, I am.
I'm hoping Waweru has asked all your questions because of want of time. Do you have anyone, one or two, or he has?
Yes, it's one or two.
Okay, then you can ask one or two. Time is not on our side.
I understand, my ladyship.
Go ahead.
Mr. Daniel, I believe you have the file with you.
No, I have the report. Only the reports, your leadership. I don't have the file.
No, there's an issue here. I heard.
Yes.
But I don't think Mr. Wero raised it. Are you aware that your police station, Ruiru police station, summoned the sisters to Joseph, and they came saw a body?
Come again?
I'm asking.
Yes.
Are you aware that the sisters to Joseph were summoned to Ruiru police station?
For what purpose?
And they came saw carcass.
I'm not aware. Yes.
Okay.
And they did documentation. So when that file comes to me, I believe I will be able to answer this issue once and for all.
No, according to the report,
yes,
it states that there were carcasses collected from the scene, the modern furniture.
They are listing the issue of carcass, please.
Yes. The last question.
My ladyship, let him confirm.
So you are done?
No, I'm not yet done.
Did you have another question?
Yes.
Now you have asked 5 questions. Ask the last one, please.
I've only asked 2.
You have?
I've only asked 2.
No.
I wanted to confirm.
Have you forgotten you have asked even about the investigation file, whether he has it in the court, and whether he's aware that the sisters were summoned to Membly, and about calling of the file?
Okay, I'm sorry.
How many more do you have? Because I had
maybe one more.
What Waweru has not asked. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
I won't repeat anything Waweru has said.
Go on.
I'm waiting for him to confirm.
No, your leadership has said there is no issue about carcass as per the report I have.
He had answered that one. The last one.
My last question was hinged on that, but okay. It's good. I'm done. Thank you, your leadership.
Okay. Okay, Rosie, did you have any question?
My lady, on our part, we received a report, government analyst report.
I was just talking about this witness. Did you want to ask him anything in re-examination? Probably something like it.
Yes. Maybe just I'm looking at the application, and there are 2 prayers. That is prayer 4 and 5.
That one can only come in submissions about the prayers, if we shall get there. It is a matter of clarifying any issue that when he was being asked questions.
Yes. I am saying in respect to a response, whether he filed a response, a reply as the first respondent.
Who did that? Okay,
yes.
Just ask him.
That is what I was I'm asking whether there is a response, a replying affidavit.
Or look at the cities.
By the first respondent.
I'm sure there is none, even in the CTS. He didn't file a response.
Very well. That would have helped.
But if you have any question, maybe you can just ask him.
If it's replying affidavit.
Oh, okay. Answer that question. DCI. Answer the question.
Your Lordship, we have not done so.
You are not intending to do so, eh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, I think Torosi, we are done with this CIO. Sorry, with the DCI. Ruiru? I don't think you shall need the IO because the IO works under you. You are the boss. I don't know what you expected the IO to tell the court when you are there. So we shall be happy with what you have said. Then from their councils, you can proceed to prosecute your application on another day or to file submissions. I think you can file submissions so that you can get to the ruling stage.
Your Ladyship, with the court's indulgence, perhaps we can...
Yes?
For submissions, we can do oral submissions. will be very.
Or the problem is the time. The court to afford the time to listen to you for 2 hours.
It's okay. It's okay. Your
Yes, so please do written submissions.
Then your ladyship, you can highlight the submissions on a brief once they are ready.
Okay. How many days do you require?
My lady, baby.
Yes.
I know Mr. Oro is my senior, but my instructions were from Mrs. Koge.
Mm-hmm.
That the last time we were in court, you had someone, the investigating officer.
Yes, and I have decided not to hear him because the boss has spoken.
I believe he has more information of the case, more than the boss has. And I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but I believe the IO has more information.
Mm-hmm. And the boss is supposed to be briefed by his officers.
Much obliged, my lady.
No, I'm not ruling it out, but I'm just trying to argue that the DCI should know more than the IO.
Maybe your ladyship, why he's talking about that is in relation to the disappearance, the IO in regard to the other file. Yes. I believe that could be a little.
The IO we have in court is investigating the disappearance or the fire.
The fire incident. I believe council can make an application. We can make an application for the IO in regards to the missing file.
Okay.
File. Yes, because he has indicated that he's not aware of the steps or progress of the same.
What is the name of that officer? Can we get the name? DCI? Give us the name of the IO. In the missing persons report.
Your ladyship will not direct you, but I can request if you can summon the OCS Mapley Police Station, your ladyship. OCS Mapley Police Station.
Oh, so you don't know the IO, who it is?
Well, what I know is that he was transferred. So whoever took over the matter, I'm not aware, your ladyship.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the OCS will be better placed.
I believe so, ladyship.
It is in 9th. 11th. So we have 11th of February. We can take that one. 11th of February 2026. Do we have time at 9?
Your ladyship, Dr. Ross is addressing the court.
Yes, I'll hear her. I'm inquiring on something new. Okay. Okay. So 11th of February at 9 a.m. next year. Torosi, what are you saying?
I am not putting in any submissions. I will be relying on our affidavit only.
Okay. I think because they asked for another witness, then we can hear that witness first. And the court has agreed that we summon the OCS Nebule. What is his name? The name of the OCS by name? DCI?
Your Lordship, Chief Inspector Jane Kabucha.
Chief Inspector
Woman Jane Kabucha.
Jane Kabucha.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Kabucha. Why do you call her woman? I never heard anybody call you man.
You know, we work in brackets W, to mean is a lady.
No, I'm just wondering why women are profiled. And it doesn't happen to men.
It is up to the police.
We can find out that when we go for a seminar where your bosses are. Okay. Okay, then that is the date, 11th of February. Submissions will come later, so that we first hear that witness.
Thank you so much, Your Lady.
Okay.
Much obliged, my leadership.
Your Lady, before you move to the other matter, there is a ruling that was coming up